Let's solve the first periodic test question papers of science. Okay, so first is MCQ. A bacterium that fixes nitrogen in the soil is rhizobium. Additional pigment present in cauliflower leaves gives red color, though it has other color also, but in the book it is given red. The stomata is surrounded by a special cell called guard cell. The representation of chemical composition of substance is called chemical symbol. This is chemical symbol. The chemical formula of calcium carbonate is CaCO3. CaCO3. Fill in the blanks. Tiny pores on the lower surface of the leaves are called stomata. The living organism from which a parasite derives its food is called host. Positively and negatively charged particles are called ions. Symbol of acetate ion can be written as CH3COO and minus because it is ion. Process of obtaining and utilizing food by living organism is called nutrition. Now state the statement true or false. So mushroom is a parasite. This is false statement. Chemical formula of sodium sulfate is Na2SO3. No, it should be Na2SO4. So this is false statement. Burning of paper is a chemical change. True. New substances which are formed during a chemical reaction are called product. This is also true. The leaf color of red cabbage is purple. True. Now answer in one word instead of 1 mark question. 1 into 5, that is each question is of 1 mark. Tube-like structure that transfer water and minerals to different parts of the plant is vessel. That is what we have studied right now. Organism which derives its nutrition from other organism, that is parasite. A pure substance which is made up of atoms of the same kind, element. Any impure substance whose components are not chemically combined is mixture. The initial product of photosynthesis which is made from carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, that is glucose. So here what will happen if all the stomata of all the leaves of the plant are blocked? There will be no exchange of gases. Exchange of gases. What gases? CO2 and O2. Hence there will be no photosynthesis. No photosynthesis. So it will die. Ultimately it will die. So write the chemical formula of the following compounds. That is aluminum oxide. So let's do aluminum oxide. Aluminum oxide. Aluminum has got +3 and oxide has got -2. Crisscross and it goes there. This 2 goes here and this 3 goes here. This is aluminum. And this is zinc +2 and sulfate -2 and this crisscross to the crisscross. So it becomes ZnSO4. And now balancing the equation. So what is here? That is at LHS, calcium is 1, oxygen is 2 and hydrogen is how many? 2 and chlorine is 1. Whereas here RHS, calcium is 1, chlorine is 2, hydrogen is 2 and oxygen is 1. So here oxygen is 2, so here we will do 2. So here we will do 2. So now here hydrogen becomes 4 and here we are having 2 oxygen and 2 hydrogen. And here chlorine is 2, here chlorine is 2. So here we can put 2 and this chemical equation is balanced. So write the steps involved in writing the formula of calcium phosphate. So calcium is +2 and PO4 -2. So steps first will be this and second will be crisscross. +2 and PO4 -2, it will be crisscrossed here. And now the formula comes as CaPO3. So this would be PO4 whole 2. So this is calcium phosphate. This is calcium phosphate. So symbiotic relationship. What is symbiotic relation? That is symbiotic relationship. So when two organisms live in close association and develop a relationship which is beneficial to both of them, is called symbiotic. relationship. Stop. And this one example is lichen is a living partnership between fungus and alga. Alga is green and fungus gives shelter. Alga does photosynthesis, right? Now second is, what was the first one? Okay, this is second one. The first one was calcium phosphate, Ca3PO4 ka whole 2. This was calcium phosphate, this was second, and now this is third. So combination reaction. Combination reaction when two or more reactants combine to form new substance, new product. It's called combination reaction. So examples are simple examples are given in the book, and this is H2O, all are in gaseous form, and since we have to write balanced equation, so it should be here 2 and here it should be 2. Another example is nitrogen gas plus hydrogen gas, and it will form ammonia. This is also gaseous form, and now again we have to balance the equation. And now answer extracellular digestion. Now let's do extracellular digestion. So answer 7, right? First, extracellular digestion. What does it mean? When digestion is taking place outside the body. So when food is digested outside the cells or body of the organism, it is called extracellular digestion. And this, what happens? And this, the organisms secretes digestive juices, right? Where directly onto the food, and this juices make the food, turns the food into simpler form, make the food soluble, and thus the organism directly absorbs it, and this is called extracellular digestion. The next question is draw the diagram. So diagram is directly given to how the root absorbs minerals. So this is the diagram. This is given in the book. This way, if you have written this way, you will get full marks. Okay, thank you.